this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter. Um, and I want to start with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for educational demonstration purposes only. Participating in trading in the markets involves substantial risk, and therefore you can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now we're looking at JMIA. Um, Hold on 1 second here. I have to pull up my notes on it. JMIA Technologies, and had their earnings report today, and it took quite some time for me to sift through it. But essentially, it came in with what I consider to be fairly good earnings. It has tremendous headwind given the COVID epidemic, which I think has. We don't know a lot of the statistics out of Africa, but I am quite sure that the continent's been hit quite hard. But Jemiah is got first mover status in online sales on the entire continent. Now, what we learned in the conference call was that products in the beauty niche, food delivery niche, and fashion niche um, were really showed very strong upward trends, while electronics took a little bit of a nosedive. Now they have created partnerships with companies like McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Subway. Um, so not only are they an online platform for buying products, you can also get food delivery. They've worked out significant supply chain difficulties and just logistical problems with deliveries by contracting out delivery to about 175 different third-party companies to ultimately deliver the products to the doorstep of the purchaser. Um, Again, going back, they have over 5,700 restaurants, and they are, I think they're in a great position to expand their business. Now, this is a bottom fishing project. It's come all the way down in this swing from 33. It was down as low as 18. But I think JMIA Technology has great potential. Now, to get past this swing high of 33, or at least hit it over the course of the next 12 months. This is not a stock that is going to skyrocket in price, but it has tremendous value, and again, first mover status across the entire continent of Africa. Sales did come in line, and I believe it's building out its infrastructure, and it's got very, very brilliant people in control. I read a lot about what they said, and they really have their grip on what's going on the African continent. And pretty impressed with their report. And they're really getting into the free. If you order, you get a free delivery. They're really working to compete hard. They're working aggressively to make this a very, very profitable enterprise. And as far as I'm concerned, it's only a matter of time. What you always want to do is you want to get in at the bottom. Everyone always says They bought Amazon at $1.95. They got Netflix at $2.50. Well, I think this is an online retailer that is really building out infrastructure across the continent. In Africa, I saw statistics from Nigeria, many other countries in the African continent, and I believe it's got upside potential to 35 to 33.85. If it breaks, we could see a move to 40. Now, this is not going to be a quick mover, as I said, and I would set a 12-month price target around 35. But at 20, buying a slightly out of the money call here is a very low risk, potentially exceedingly high reward trade. Everyone have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.